Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my Stitch Fix unboxing. I am so pleased that you have joined me today to see what is inside this fix. If you are joining me for the first time, I would like to welcome you. I am so glad that you are visiting my channel. I sure hope that you will consider subscribing and stick around. I make videos all about women's clothing. I love my style boxes, but I also enjoy shopping hauls and I love to share those with you. So if you enjoy those types of videos, please subscribe and join me again. I am really excited but nervous about this Stitch Fix. My last two fixes have been duds. They sent some beautiful clothing, but it wasn't my personal style, my personal preferences. I quickly reordered. I do have a style pass. I pay a one-time annual fee so I can get all the fixes I want for just $49 a year. So yeah, this is no risk. I'm real excited to get into this box. If you would like more information about Stitch Fix and you would like to try Stitch Fix for your very first time, I have left all the information as well as a referral link in the description box below. If you use my referral link, you will get $25 credit on your first fix. So free clothes. Isn't it great? But they also extend a little bit of credit to me, and I want to thank all the ladies and gentlemen that have used my link. You guys really support the Kelly Shaffner channel by using my links, and from the bottom of my heart, I thank you. Thank you so much. I do have credit to spend on this box. I've told you before, it is harder for me to spend my credit than it is to spend my own money. Hopefully this one is a 5 for 5. I'm due. I'm really due for a good fix. Okay, here is what the box looks like. Everything I need to know about Stitch Fix and what to do, the next steps, is all printed right on the box for you. And this is the inside of my box. They do give me a mailer to return anything that doesn't work. Here's some paperwork with an invoice and a style note from my stylist. So here's the box. Ooh, we have jewelry. I see a jewelry box. Let's take a look. Look at this bundle. They do such a great job at Stitch Fix. I mean, everything is so perfectly folded. Look at that. We do have some light springtime colors. Is that denim? Ooh, that's a light colored denim. Uh-oh. Okay, we have some jewelry. It always comes packaged just like this. Here is the jewelry. And oh my goodness, I can see this already. This is Kate Spade crystal studs. And this is what the inside looks like. So they did package it, I think, in the bag. Let's see, what do we have? Okay, let me look. Oh wow, these are beautiful. Okay, that's what the earrings look like. And truthfully, they look a little bit small for me. I know you can't really see with that sunlight coming in my window, but I will model these for you so that you can see how they look on. Hopefully they're going to be large enough. They're very, very pretty. Let's break into this bundle. Okay, the first thing I see on top, oh, this is a tank top. And this is by Fortune and Ivy. This is the Light and Zip Detail Mixed Material Blouse in pink. It's kind of a mauve-y pink though. Oh, there's a zipper detail on the front. And are these are faux pockets. Yes, they are faux pockets. So that's really nice. I am enjoying these mixed material blouses. This is like a polyester fabric on the front, and yet we do have a cotton on the back. This is a rounded hemline, and it looks to be pretty flowy. That looks very promising. Oh guys, look at this. We have navy blue, and I have been searching for a navy blue top. Look at that scalloped neckline, scalloped sleeves. Wow, this looks nice. This is 41 Hawthorne, and this is the Camilla scallop detail button down in indigo. So it is a button front. Okay, everyone, cross your fingers that this one looks amazing, because I have been on the lookout for a navy blue blouse to wear this spring and summer, and this looks like it could be perfect for me. Okay, the next piece is really a very pretty color. It looks to be a t-shirt, and yet it has the lace detail on the shoulders there and also through the back. Who are you? This is Mason and Belle. I've never tried that brand. Rooney lace detail, not front knit top. Not front. Oh, there it is. Okay, so we do have a little detail on the front. I normally like that. This looks promising. This is really a beautiful, like sage green kind of colored t-shirt. Very nice. And the last thing we have are a pair of denim. And these are by Vigos. These are the Marley Mid-Rise Super Skinny Luxe Stretch. Made with super soft stretch denim and provides exceptional recovery. Okay. Now, my concern about these is the very light color. These are in the color blush. We'll see how they work. There is some distressing on these. I don't know, can you see that? Distressing in the knees. And we also have a frayed hem. Now, with lighter color denim, I usually size up. These are my true size, so more than likely they're going to show every bump and bulge and imperfection that I have, but I'm game to try them. I would love to be able to wear a lighter color denim, so hopefully these will work. I am so pleased with this fix. I can't wait to hear your thoughts and opinions on the pieces in this fix. Let me show you the style card here, and nothing really stands out to me the way she has suggested that I style these pieces. I do have a new stylist, and I think she did a great job. Her name is Cass M. She wrote a very nice note. She did acknowledge that my last few fixes weren't that great, and she did put some time and research into finding pieces that she thought I might like. I appreciate that. I think Cass did a great job. Let's talk about the prices. The total of this box is $226 for all 5 pieces, but if I keep all 5 pieces, I'll get that 25% discount that Stitch Fix extends. If you keep everything, that discount is $56.50, bringing the total to $169.50. I have enough credit, thanks to you, my viewers, that I could keep this entire box and pay nothing. So it's really important that you help me decide if I should use my credit to purchase these items. Let's quickly talk about each piece. This Fortune and Ivy mixed media tank top with the zipper detail. This is the cheapest thing in the entire box, coming in at $34. I think this is a fabulous color pink for me. Pinks are tough on me because I am so fair. I really like this top. Not only will this be a nice tank top to wear in the warm summer months where I live, but this is also a nice shell to wear under blazers when the weather gets a little bit chillier. I like that zip detail, kind of sassy. I'm keeping this one for only $34. Okay, next up, let's talk about the 41 Hawthorne, the scalloped detail button up. I love this blouse. There's so much I like about it. I do like the very interesting scallop detail on an otherwise kind of plain, simple button up. This is a cotton fabric. It feels like a traditional button up. I love that it is fitted, and I love the simplicity of it, but the scallop detail around the neckline and the arms really amps this blouse up a bit, don't you think? This one is $58. This is the most expensive blouse in the entire fix, and I think it's worth every penny of that $58. I have been waiting and longing for a navy top that was perfect for spring. I think I found it. What do you think? I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it. $58. Okay, next up we have the Mason and Belle top. This is in the color olive, they call it. It's almost a sage green. It's not a dark olive. So I do like the color, and I think it could be springtime appropriate. I can kind of take it or leave it with this blouse. This one is $38. So the price is okay. The fabric is super soft, and we do have the lace detail. I'm not a big fan of lace, although this lace is not offensive. It is not scratchy. The whole tee feels very soft. So we have that twist front, which I tend to enjoy, and I like this one, and I am considering keeping it because I am thinking about keeping everything. My stylist did ask me to pair this top with the denim, And I think it looked all right. What did you guys think about that look? The olive with the blush? I mean, I don't think I would have tried it had she not mentioned it. So $38, Mason and Belle. Next up, the denim, the Vigos Marley skinny jeans. Now, I was afraid of the color of these. These are a super light pink. They call it blush. These are $58. They are super duper stretchy. So I appreciate that. Now, these were ankle jeans, almost crops on me. I don't think they are intended to fit like that. And I felt like the distressing on these was a little bit high on me. I think those holes are meant to be at the knees and they hit above my knee. So I'm not sure about that. I did share these with my husband. He did like them. I asked him if they were too tight. He said, you wear all your jeans too tight. And he's right. I do like the fit of my denim to fit pretty snug. What I liked about these is they are a great alternative to white denim. I think that you get the same look with wearing this light colored blush, but this is interesting. I appreciate the frayed hem. The thing I am most concerned about is that distressing. Do you think it looks funny? I mean, the placement of it is a little bit odd, and I do think that these might be a little bit short for me. I'll wear them as a crop. I'm truly thinking about keeping these, so let me know what you think about these. And the last item in my fix are the Kate Spade earrings. These are the crystal studs in rose gold. I think they're beautiful. I also told you I thought they might be too small, but I have just recently cut my hair very short, and I think that these are maybe the perfect size. I'm normally not drawn to smaller earrings like this, but with my hair a little bit shorter, they don't get lost in all that hair. These are $38, and I'm kind of a big fan of Kate Spade. These are in rose gold. They're going to match my Kate Sparkle druzy ring perfectly. I think I'm going to keep these as well. So you've heard my thoughts on each individual piece, and I truly think this is a potential 5 for 5 fix. The only piece that I am not excited to wear is this olive colored t-shirt. It might be the color, but I will wear this. This is only $38 and the buy all discount is $56. So if I keep everything, it sure makes sense to wear this piece. I don't hate this piece. I will definitely wear it. I'm just not wowed by it. So the other thing I want to talk to you about is the denim. Now the denim comes in at $58 and my discount is $56. The issue with the denim is it's very tight. For references, I am 5'7". I weigh 150 pounds. I normally wear a size 8 in denim. I usually size up in lighter color denim. But the problem I have there is the waistband. And I already had plenty of room in the waistband with these. If I size up one size, the waist is going to be far too large, which then involves altering and the cost of altering, and I don't like these enough to actually take them in and have them tailored. So I think I would be stuck with this size if I decide to keep them. So I could really use your help in deciding whether or not to keep these Vigos skinnies in the light blush color. I always appreciate hearing your feedback. Thank you very much to all of you that contribute to the conversation. Could I get you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it? I will have more videos. I have so many boxes and a lot of fun videos planned for you, so make sure you are subscribed. Join me again. I will see you in the next one. Blessings. Blessings to all of you.